Hey everyone, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to speed up downloads in Steam and Epic Games. And I'll say right away that if you have a download going on, it's better to wait for it to finish and then download the next game after this guide, because most likely if you do what I'm doing right now, you'll just re-download everything that's already been downloaded. So let's go to settings. There's a thing here called downloads installation. Go ahead and make sure to uncheck the box for download speed limiting. Next, open run, yes, run, and type in %local app data %. Click OK. Here we're looking for Epic Games. Close the launcher. Go into Epic Games Launcher, saved. And here we have web cache. Go ahead and delete it. Delete it completely. You might have a couple of web cache folders in general, but delete all of them. Next, check the Epic Games status. Type in Epic Games status here. Status. That's everything working at this moment. Yes, so right now there are no issues with Epic Games, as you can see. Here, there might also be the official website. No, there isn't. Well, everything is fine now in any case. Next, check the apps that are eating up your internet. To do this, right-click and open Task Manager, and here we filter apps by internet usage. Right now, my browser is using the most bandwidth. Makes sense, so just close them out. Next, check your internet speed, and as a last resort, you can reset your DNS settings. Type CMD, run it as administrator, click yes, type ipconfig/flush DNS, and hit enter. You can also try using a VPN, and that's basically it. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Valor was with you. See you later, everyone.